Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, everybody. My name is Nigel Schroeter, aka the Credit Sensei. Please make sure you guys go and subscribe to my other channel over there. I'm giving you guys more hacks, more tips, more tricks to improve your credit score and ultimately build the financial life that you want. Now, with that being said, today I wanted to bring to you guys yet again another video talking about the Navy Federal secured loan hack, or the secured pledge loan hack, or the pledge loan trick, whatever you want to call it. This is a trick that I brought out to you guys a couple years ago, and I've been working on improving it and making it better every single day. So, one thing that I wanted to do was help those who had lower credit scores, who had low income, and low amounts of resources, be able to do this trick. So in doing so, one of the things that I had to do was ensure that they would have the upfront money to start out this trick. So I showed you guys some different ways that you could do that, with getting cards and getting the sign up bonuses, through buying and reselling. And most recently, I've been showing you guys what high limits, how you could do this through utilizing auto loans and taking those funds. So if you haven't seen those videos, make sure that you go back and watch those videos. But at this point, we are looking at, you've already gotten your pledge loan. So you've already gotten your funds for your pledge loan. So you've gotten your auto loan deal figured out. You've gotten your equity. You've gotten whatever it is that you are utilizing to secure this pledge loan. And once you've gotten those funds, the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to now call up Navy Federal Credit Union and tell them that you want to do the pledge loan. All right. Now, if the funds are in your checking account, they will transfer them to your savings account just like that while you're on the phone. It doesn't really matter. I know a lot of the time, people tell you put the funds in your savings account. All it does is save you a couple seconds, because they're going to ask you, hey, we see these funds are in such and such account. Do you want them transferred to your savings? You say yes. They say one moment, and it's in there, and then they continue with the questioning process. Then, of course, they're going to ask you just the general loan questions, where you live. If you haven't applied for anything recently, they may ask you for your financial information. If you have, they're not going to ask for it, and they're just going to continue going through the process. So as they're going through the process, they're going to ask you a few questions. Of course, the first question is going to be, how much do you want the loan for? You tell them. They're going to ask you, what is your requested term? Remember that they don't have to agree to your terms. They can modify those terms. So if you put that you want 60 months, but the bank is only willing to lend to you for 48 months, they may offer you a counter offer instead of declining you. However, they do not have to agree to your exact terms. They're going to give you the interest rate. They're going to play the disclosure. Then they're going to ask you how you want to pay for the loan. So when they ask you that, you tell them that you do not want auto pay, that you want to pay the loan on your own every single month. So now that you'll be paying the loan on your own, you can control the flow of that loan. So what do I mean by that? You can say, okay, I'm going to go ahead and pay down my loan now. This will be, once you get off the phone with them. So like I said, you've gone through the whole process. You've got, because you watched the other video, you've gotten the secured loan. You told them that you didn't want auto pay. Now you're going to go in, you're going to sign your e-promissory note, or if you're old fashioned, you want to go down to the bank and sign it, do that. Signing the e-promissory note's a lot easier. You can do it right through the mobile banking, or the online banking. Now, like I said, they've approved the loan, you've gotten it, and now you go in and you can pay your loan down. Pay your loan all the way down to, per se, $100, whatever it is. Now it's going to push your due date back. So whatever you got that loan amount for is going to take that off of the balance of your loan, as well as it's going to push your due date out, and it's going to report positive payments for the rest of the duration of that loan. That is the whole process from A to Z. So you get your funds from wherever you get them from. You open up the loan. Make sure that you tell them you want to pay on your own. You don't want auto pay. You're going to pay the loan down, 80 to 90%, whatever that works out for, whatever your loan amount. And then you can let that loan sit and age all the way out until it's time for you to pay it. Again, they're going to reimburse you your funds within 3 days of you paying every time you make a payment. 3 business days. Let me make that clear. And within 3 business days, you'll have your money right back in your pocket. If you borrowed it from somebody else, you can return it right back to them. And now you've gotten your trade line, and your trade line sitting there, and you're able to utilize it and make moves off of that trade line and having it there. So now when you want to go purchase something, you have a positive reporting trade line, building up your installment credit. So with that being said, as always, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in, and we'll see you guys in the next one.